the good quality of the product, the good relation with the price, the liability of its operation, and especially how easy it was to communicate with other devices. Innovative solutions to present to customers.
Very strong support throughout the installation. The feedback from the customers is also very strong. Our customers are very satisfied.
The technical support is amazing. Whenever we had problems with Huawei, no matter the hour, there was always someone to help us or to connect locally to our systems and resolve all the problems.
The quality of the products, the all is perfect for us.
The quality and the safety.
Weil einfach zuverlässig ist, die Produkte funktionieren.
Huawei ist für mich ein super gutes System. Es ist robust, es ist einfach. Und die Kunden haben vor allem Huawei als grosser Player ein grosses Vertrauen und sind einfach zu überzeugen, weil es gute Produkte sind.
Noi abbiamo scelto Huawei principalmente perché sono molto semplici da installare e configurare soprattutto. L'applicazione è super intuitiva, diciamo che con poca formazione anche qualunque installatore riesce a portare a termine il lavoro, insomma. Ecco.
Die Umsetzung mit Huawei zusammen klingt immer sehr gut, sie supporten gut und die Projekte können so sehr gut umgesetzt werden.
Quality, good support.
Tecnologia dei prodotti, il design, l'affidabilità per noi che comunque installiamo e stiamo sul campo e il vostro servizio clienti.